there, my name's Chelsea, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really cool lava lamp at home, just like this one. You've probably already got all of the ingredients in your kitchen cupboard, and it's a really good way to look at how water or vinegar doesn't like to mix with oil. Before we get started making our lava lamp, let's take a look up close at it. Making our lava lamp is nice and easy. We'll need to get a glass jar, we'll need 1/4 cup of vinegar, a whole cup of oil, we'll need 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of water, and a couple of drops of food dye as well. The first thing that we'll need to pour into our jar is our cup of oil. So I'm going to go ahead and tip that in now, just like this. After that, we'll need to put in our vinegar. I like to put the food dye into the vinegar before I mix it, so I'm going to put 2 drops of green food dye into my vinegar and give it a little stir so it's nice and even. Then I'm going to pour my vinegar into the oil, and we'll be able to see that the vinegar and the oil don't like to mix together. Next, we need to do our bicarb and water paste. So I'm going to do a teaspoon of bicarb soda, and then I'm going to get a teaspoon of water and mix that all together until it's a paste-like consistency. Now we're ready to add our bicarb into the vinegar and oil and watch it bubble away. Let's see it go. Here we go, tip it all in. Sometimes it doesn't want to come out. There we go, and we've got lots of fizzing. Now eventually that fizzing will subside a little bit and you'll start to see the bubbles come up just like a lava lamp. Well, I hope you've had lots and lots of fun making some lava lamps together with me today, and I hope you'll join us next time for lots more fun activities that you can do from home. We'll see you then.